In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up store visit tracking in Google Ads. Whether you're a business owner looking to boost foot traffic or an advertiser aiming to measure the impact of your online campaigns on your physical stores, this guide will help you seamlessly track store visits with Google Ads. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on that. It's essential to log into your Google Ads account to access all the tools you'll need to set up store visit tracking. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and proceed. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is your hub for all advertising activities, allowing you to manage various campaigns in one place. Now look for the Campaign tab in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on it. Navigating through this section will enable you to create new advertising strategies tailored to your needs. Next, you'll want to click on New Campaign. This option allows you to build a campaign from scratch, giving you the flexibility to tailor it according to your specific advertising goals. Once you've clicked on New Campaign, you'll see several options for campaign types. Here, you want to focus on options that drive traffic to your store. The next step is crucial. Among the campaign types provided, select Local Store Visits. This particular campaign type is designed to optimize for visits to your physical storefront, capturing data that is invaluable for assessing the effectiveness of your online ads on in-store traffic. Choosing this option indicates to Google Ads that your goal is to convert online interactions into physical visits. And that's it. Setting up store visit tracking in Google Ads is a straightforward process. A couple of helpful tips. Make sure that your store location is properly set up in your account settings. This ensures Google can effectively track and attribute visits to your ads. Also, integrating your Google My Business account with Google Ads can enhance store visit tracking accuracy by linking your business's online presence to real-world activity. Keep in mind that this setup leverages complex algorithms and data from multiple sources to measure actual store visits, so it might take a little while before you start seeing data populated in your campaigns. Once set up properly though, you'll be able to quantify the offline impact of your ads, allowing for data-driven decision making in your marketing strategies. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging digital ads to grow your business.